Okay, time to go. Wait a minute. Am I stuck?
What if no one noticed me?
What if we close the cafe?
What if I stay here forever? What if I die and become a ghost in the bathroom? This is it! My life is over!
No, no, no! Hello? Hello? Yes, please help. I'm stuck. Oh my god! A child is stuck in that stall. A child? What? Wait, I'm not a...
It's okay, I'll get you out. Don't panic, sweetie.
Sweetie? Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation. Throughout my life, people used to joke that I grew up but my voice never caught up. And when I was in high school, relatives constantly mistook me for my younger brother on the phone. Hello? Oh, hi, bro Miyu. How are you? I missed you. This isn't bro Miyu, it's Miyu. Is this a joke? Oh, bro Miyu, you're so cute and funny. Most of the time, it didn't bother me. I do not sound like a little boy! Did not bother me at all. Until this happened. Around my college years, I decided to check out a cafe alone, like the grown adulty adult McAdultson that I am. I grab my drink, sit in the corner to have a cute, grown-up coffee moment. I was doing great. I was doing not so great. Huh? Oh crap! Oh god, what do I do? What do I do? I can't breathe! Is the ceiling getting lower? Okay, options. Aha! Alright, I have to do this. Hi. Hello? Yes, please help. I'm stuck. Oh my god! A child is stuck in that stall. A child? What? Wait, I'm not... A child is trapped! A child is trapped!
Karen!
We have to get her out!
It's okay, sweetie. Don't worry. I'll get you out right away.
Sweetie? Wait, no, I'm not a child. Wait, no, I am not a child. I should have just turned into a ghost. I left in complete awkwardness. And I never went there again. Did you guys cringe? Good, because I want you all to suffer with me. Thanks for watching, and thank you to all the members who joined. Wow, you're truly one of the members of all time. Thank you and goodbye.